In this video, we will talk about Twitch. We will use Twitch and how they use the affiliate program in order to get more people on their platform. Enjoy the video. So if you look at this is an example of an affiliate program. And you see here, if you want to be an affiliate on Twitch, you need to follow the process. If you do not know what Twitch is, just Google it. Try Twitch, what is it? And then you can join the program. And on this page, they explain to you what it is. Let me make it bigger for you. And then the requirements. So you see that here, the requirements. And then here they say how they're going to pay you. So the process of getting an affiliate link. I mean, being part of the affiliate program. That's technically it. Yeah. So earning revenue, how you can earn it. And then you have frequently asked questions. What can you get? Ads, no, our streamer, blah, blah, blah. So you see that here. This is technically it. Yeah. Keep in mind when you have Twitch, if you're an affiliate program, there is terms of condition, but you get an agreement. And most time in the agreement, they refer to the terms of condition. That's technically how it works. So if you look at the process here, step in, you will be provided basic general information to be registered into the program. Sign the Twitch affiliate agreement, agreeing to the TOS of the terms of the program, provide Amazon your tax information, and tell us where to send your payment. You know, it's simple, right? So what you're getting is, let's say this is Twitch. This is you are streaming on Twitch. You go to the platform, you meet the requirements, and you sign up. You make sure everything, you sign the agreement. When you sign the agreement, you become part of Twitch affiliate program. Keep in mind when you affiliate, there are some benefits and disadvantages. When you promote your live streams on other platforms, you are making Twitch better, if a lot of people do, okay? But they're already bigger. But if you are the owner, let's say you are creating an affiliate program, you can use this as an example to create your own system. Yeah. So this is a nice example how you can, how the affiliate program works. And I think this is one of them. There are also other companies out there that does it, but I'm not going to discuss all of them. I think because most time I watch live stream, I thought this company should be a nice reference so you can look at it and see how it works. If you are Twitch affiliate and something happened and you have question about what you can and what you cannot do, feel free to contact me on Discord. Just go in Discord, contact me, and I will see what I can do for you. It's that simple. And if you want to create your own affiliate program for your own company in order to sell your product or services, feel free to go in the link in the description and ask me a question about it. So that's about it. And if you guys have a question about it, let me know. See you guys in the next video.